Motorcycle riding is very enjoyable and it can be life-changing. Doing it safely though takes experience and knowledge. In this video, I'm going over 5 things I wish I knew before I started riding. Hey, I'm Lavatron, and on this channel you get quick motorcycle how-tos, product reviews, and tips to keep you safe. If you want more content like this, be sure to subscribe. Let's go. So the first thing I wish I knew about riding motorcycles is to wear all the gear all the time. When I first got started, all I wore was a helmet, a motorcycle jacket that was too big for me, gloves that weren't the best quality, and regular jeans and lace sneakers with no ankle coverage. For some this may just be enough, but nowadays, personally, I think it's not. Through the years, I've seen how badly riders can get hurt by not wearing enough or wearing things that are not suitable for motorcycle riding. The second thing I wish I knew about motorcycles was the importance of tires. Tires are really one of the most important parts of your motorcycle. You should always buy the best quality, replace them in sets, look out for things like dry rot, cracks, or punctures, and most of all, check that tire pressure. You may notice that car tires last way longer than motorcycle tires do, so it's really important to always keep an eye on them. The third thing I wish I knew is that ABS is everything. Another thing that I really wasn't aware of as a new rider was ABS. ABS prevents the wheels from locking and increases stability while slowing down. A lot of new riders brake too hard, and that leads to the front or rear tire locking up on you, and this causes the bike to skid or slide. I had this happen to me so many times on my first motorcycle. When it was time to get a new motorcycle, I learned at the dealership what ABS was, and ever since, it's what I recommend to all, especially new riders. The next thing I wish I knew was that basic maintenances are vital. Sadly, my first motorcycle didn't get any attention like my Ducati Scrambler does. I wasn't really aware of the easy tasks like chain cleaning or even how to check my brake pads. But to be fair, I was more concerned with learning how to ride at the time. For any beginner, I would 100% recommend getting familiar with basic maintenances. The final thing I wish I knew about motorcycle riding is that this really can be an expensive lifestyle. Aside from the cost of the actual motorcycle, getting things like quality riding gear and doing most mods on your motorcycle can really start to ring up the bill. I know it's pretty obvious that this is a fact, but I think it's important to mention it anyway. So what are some things you wish you knew before you started riding? Let me know down below in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, ride safe and see you next time.